It's encouraging dementia patients to join in with music making, so it's not just going along and doing a concert for them. It's actually giving out instruments and encouraging them, not forcing them to play, but encouraging them to play either by demonstrating the instrument and hoping that they'll join in, or by handing it to them and showing them what to do with it.
I think there's a big distinction between just playing along and then playing together, playing meaningfully.
I was actually contacted by one of the SCO musicians who knew that I worked on music and the brain, and I've been director of this interdisciplinary research institute that looks at the potential benefits of music in different contexts. One of the things we've been working on is looking at how to run the workshops themselves in such a way that most people get the most out of them. And then we're also looking at the way in which people respond to the music workshops. So how do individuals respond? Do they change their movement behaviours? Do they change their vocal behaviours or their facial behaviours? Do they seem different in terms of their mood?
There's so much connection between all of the patients in the group and us, and so we're sort of converging in a sense on this sort of music which is sort of coming out.
You've made my day. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
Somehow the personality will come out again. They'll speak or sing or smile or hold hands. And there'll be a sort of recognition of someone that they know and love and maybe haven't seen for a while that seems to occur in that musical environment.